Hello guys, this is Jude. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send Bitcoin at little or no transaction fee. Sometimes I receive email from people complaining that exchanges like Luno or Quadax charge such a high fee. They say they charge as high as 3,000 Naira, which is about $7.5, to send Bitcoin from their wallets, and they are so mad at the exchange. The truth is that Luno, Quadax, or any other wallet provider does not have a share in this network fee. They are called miners fee or Bitcoin network fee, and they go to the miners that help in confirming your transaction. Now, these fees are determined majorly by two things. One is the network condition. The more congested the network is, the longer it might take for your transaction to be confirmed. Two is the transaction size. The larger your transaction size, the more time it might take. So what people do is to offer the miners a higher fee to get their transaction confirmed quickly. This is what leads to the increase in the confirmation fee. Note, however, that the transaction fee is not determined by the amount of Bitcoin you're sending. As a matter of fact, you can pay more in transaction fee when sending a smaller unit of Bitcoin than when sending a larger unit of Bitcoin. Now, back in December 2017, I wanted to send $60 worth of Bitcoin from my Coinbase wallet, and I was to pay $36 Bitcoin as transaction charge. Now, this is more than half of the Bitcoin I wanted to send, which is about 15,000 Naira in Nigerian Naira as at the moment. The good thing now is these fees are not as high as they used to be back in December of 2017 because of some measures that were taken to bring this fee to the barest minimum. However, the fees might get back, especially after the recent halving and the increasing number of people using the Bitcoin network. Now, the measures that were taken and are still taken now to bring these fees down include segregated witness or SegWit and the Lightning Network. To learn more about this, read the full blog post. The link is in the description. That said, let's look at 4 ways you can send Bitcoin at little or no transaction fee. Now, they include sending Bitcoin to email, or they include sending Bitcoin to email when on the same exchange, sending from blockchain.com wallet or Coinbase Pro wallet. 3 is sending other cryptocurrencies. 4 is using the Lightning Network. So let's get to it. However, if you've not subscribed to this, if you have not subscribed yet, click the sub button right away to subscribe. We release awesome videos like this every other week. You can actually confirm this by checking out our older videos. So if you're ready, let's get into more details. So the first one is sending to email when on the same exchange. Say I have a Luno account and I want to send Bitcoin to someone, and the person also have a Luno account. I don't need to send Bitcoin to the person's Bitcoin wallet address. What I should do is to send the Bitcoin to the person's email address. When I do that, I'll pay no transaction fee at all. Let me show you how this works. So this is my Bitcoin wallet address. Let me go to wallets, Luno wallet address. And I have another person. This is another browser, and this person have 5,592 Naira worth of Bitcoin, which is 0.001344 worth of Bitcoin. This is another Luno wallet address. Let me go back to my site. I want to send 10,000 worth of Bitcoin to this person. Now, normally what I would do before is to come here and click on receive. You choose Bitcoin, and copy wallet address, which I'm going to pay the Bitcoin to. If I do this, I will have to pay Bitcoin network fee. Alright. To avoid this, since I'm sending to another Luno address, what I need to do is just to get the person's Luno email address. It's simple. You can ask the person for it, but since I'm here, I just simply go to setting and copy the person's Luno email address. Okay, and I want to send Bitcoin to this person. So let's go back to wallet. So what we'll have here, take note, what we'll have here is 0.001331344, which is 5,592 worth of Bitcoin. So let me go ahead and send 10,000 worth of Bitcoin. So I click here and I click on send. So here you can see it says here send to mobile number, email, or Bitcoin address. So I'm sending to email. So I paste the email address, currency Naira. I'm sending 10,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin. So I click on next. You can see here is fee is nothing. I'm paying nothing in transaction fee. I'm sending this number of Bitcoin, and the person is going to receive this number of Bitcoin. So I click on confirm. Done. So that is it. The Bitcoin has moved from my wallet address to the person's wallet address. Let me check that to confirm. So this is the other Luno address. I'm refreshing it right now. So you see it is now 15,592 Naira, which is 0.003747 BTC. So this happened instantly, no confirmation waiting needed, and it was totally free. Apart from Luno, I can also do this on. Now another thing is, if I enter someone's email address and the person doesn't have a Luno account, Luno will prompt the person to create a Luno account to receive the Bitcoin. This is how this thing works as well. So apart from Luno, this same thing can be done on Quadax. I can send Bitcoin to someone else's Quadax email address from Quadax. The same thing, I'll pay no transaction fee and it occur instantly. The same thing with Coinbase and other exchanges like that. For Remitano, their own is different. You can actually send to the person wallet address and you pay no transaction fee if you are sending from Remitano to Remitano. So that is the first one. The second one is sending from blockchain.com wallet or Coinbase Pro wallet. So let's go to blockchain.com. So let me try and send Bitcoin and see how much I'm going to be charging transaction fee. Okay, let me try with Luno first. Say I'm sending to an address. Let me just go here and copy an address. So I will use this address as a test study. So let's say I'm sending to this address. Copy this address. So on Luno now, say I want to send to an address now. So I click on send. And I enter the wallet address here. Say I still want to send 10,000 Naira Bitcoin. Okay, and I click on next. What I'm going to pay here is 1,038 Naira worth of Bitcoin. So this is my transaction fee that I'm going to pay this amount. Luckily, it's not that high. Sometimes it gets as high as 3,000 Naira. Like I said, this varies from time to time. So this is what I want to pay here. Now, let's see how much we'll pay if we're sending on Quadax. So the same thing, let's go to Quadax and click on send. So if I enter the wallet address, okay, I already have a wallet address here. Let me just see what it's going to cost to send. So supposing I want to send this and I click on. So what we're paying here, the fee that we're paying is 0.0003. So let's calculate what it is in Naira. So 0.0003 times the current exchange rate, which is 4157053. So this is about 1,200. So you see what I'm going to pay. This is what I'm going to pay in transaction fee. Let us check blockchain.info if we're sending from it. So on blockchain.info, let us click on send to see what we're going to be charged to send Bitcoin. So I'm going to paste the wallet address here. Say I want to send this. So what I'm going to spend in transaction fee is $1.02, which is about in Naira, it's about 400 or something there. So this is much cheaper compared to what I'm paying on Luno and on Huoydax. So what I could do is to send, if I'm sending Bitcoin to multiple persons to their Bitcoin address, I can send it to blockchain.info. I get to pay less in transaction charge. And I can also choose my own custom fee by clicking on customize. But I should be careful not to put the custom fee to be too low, so that to make sure that my transactions are confirmed. So that is how to send from blockchain.info. You pay lesser in transaction charge. Another exchange you can pay at almost zero transaction charge is Coinbase Pro Wallet. But the thing is that Coinbase Pro Wallet is not available to Nigerians. So if your country is supported, you can actually send from your Coinbase Pro Wallet. The next one is sending other cryptos. Now this is the tactics I was using in 2017 when the exchange when the transaction fee was so high. What I do is, instead of sending Bitcoin, I convert the Bitcoin on that exchange to say Ethereum. Then I send the Ethereum, is sent and it will be sent and confirmed almost immediately. Then I can convert it back to Bitcoin. Now, when I check the conversion rates and the sending fee of Ethereum, it is still much cheaper than how high the Bitcoin sending fee was then. So say if I want to send Ethereum, let's go to Luno. I think I have Ethereum here. So let me get an Ethereum wallet address from Huoydax. So just copy this and show you something. So if I want to send Ethereum, I'm sending to the wallet address now. Let me see, 13,000 there. So if I click on next, you can see what I'm paying in fee for Ethereum is 239 Naira. This is much lower compared to the Bitcoin 1,000 plus Naira I'm paying. So what you can do is, when Bitcoin network fee is so high, is to convert from Bitcoin. Just go to the Luno exchange if you're using Luno. Go to the Luno exchange. It's cheaper to convert from at the exchange than doing instant buys. As a matter of fact, you can actually convert at zero transaction fee if you're doing if you are using the exchange. So what you can do is to convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum, then send it Ethereum instead of sending Bitcoin. If you are sending to someone and you ask the person if the person can accept other coins, maybe Ethereum or Litecoin, you convert to that and send it to be confirmed. Much easier and faster, and you pay very minimal in transaction fee. So this is what you can do. You can do this on Luno, you can do this on Huoydax, you can do this on other platforms. You can send in other cryptocurrency instead of Bitcoin. when the Bitcoin transaction charge is too high. The last one is Lightning Network. Now with Lightning Network, you send almost at zero transaction fee. But the thing is that you have to have a Lightning channel. This is more like, this is the future we are looking at. This is the future we're looking forward to, when the Lightning Network will be implemented across all platforms, that was in such a way we'll start sending Bitcoin transaction at seamlessly, fast, and zero transaction fee. I hope this video was educative enough and you have learned something. So we've learned 4 ways we can send Bitcoin at zero or little transaction fee. And we went through sending to email when on the same exchange, sending to or from blockchain wallets or Coinbase Pro wallets, and sending other cryptos instead of Bitcoin, and using the Lightning Network. Again, to learn about how Bitcoin fees are calculated and measures taken by the Bitcoin community to reduce these fees, read the full blog post. The link is in the description. If you've not subscribed, make sure you do and click the bell icon to get notification when we release our next video. So, see you in my next video.